to something.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Satrio Budi Santoso. I am class 10 welding engineering. I am sitting in here to tell the context about exploring my cousin beautiful garden. Enjoy to the video and listening. Last weekend, I visited my cousin garden with my brother, who love exploring nature. My cousin who owns the garden welcomed us warming and showed us around. We were amazed by the variety of men, including papaya and chili tree, lochi. My cousin had planted himself. My brother, who was so excited, ran around and laughed while looking at the tall trees. My cousin, who is very kind, explained he takes care of the flowers nails. We also saw my uncle, who was working on the other side of the garden. It was my brother who suggested taking picture to remember the day. Finally, we sat together, talked and enjoyed the snack we brought. First, I went on my cousin garden trip starting at 11 at 8 a.m. Before that, I had prepared motorbikes, snack, and drinks. I immediately went to my destination. While on the way, I saw the beautiful surroundings scenery. I saw transfixed and stopped for a moment to take photos. Enjoy it. Then I continued living at 11 at 12. I resetted and prepared for my midday prayers. After that, I had lunch at small stall. After lunch, I continued my journey. And something unexpected was the serious traffic jam on the road. It took 15 minutes to clear. I continued my journey, braving the hot weather. And finally, I arrived at my cousin's house and took 2 hours to get there. Next, I arrived at my brother's house at 2 p.m. And I greeted the brothers. I saw entertained by several food. Sometimes I also chatted to us about news or various things that I thought were interesting. A few minutes later, my brothers asked me to help harvest the rare fruits. I agreed and went straight to the her garden. When I got there, it was true that the fruit was ready to be harvested. Without thinking, I immediately climbed by climbed the tree without waiting for my brother to arrive. But my aunt noticed my action. She immediately to told me to to calm down because I did not want to get into trouble. I also obeyed his words. When I came down, my aunt immediately approached me and scolded me, but it was not a big problem. She just advised me not climb the tree straight away without protection. Finally realizing my mistake and apologizing to my aunt, I finally waited for my brother to bring the stairs. I even been waiting for a long time and I am starting to get bored. I thought about exploring the complete the complex the complete around my brother's house, even though I do not fully fully know the area there. But because I was curious, I immediately explored it. When explored it, I found lots of shady and cool tree. I stopped for a while and sat under a tree. It's very shady tree even though it was summer, but it felt cool. After that, I returned to my brother's house. On the way back, I saw a stall. I visited Bear File to buy some snack. After that, I continued walking. I arrived at my brother's house. He was ready. He later approached him and helped harvest the layer fruit. My brother climbed up with that ladder while I kept balance on the ladder so it would not falling. The fruit of the the hair, the heart harvested I am abundance. It's very tempting to eat, so sorted between good looks and not. The result we quilled a lot. 1 hour later, the fruit harvest was finished. My brother and he rested for a while because we were tired of harvesting. Suddenly, my aunt approached the two of us and suggested that we share the harvested with the neighbors. My brother and I agreed and immediately distributed into several neighbors. The day was starting to get late, and I wanted to say goodbye to my brothers and my aunt because I wanted to go home. I was ready to go home. I returned home at 4 p.m. I was given several hairs by my brother and my aunt. I was very grateful because I had brought the hair. Then I went home. Before that, I shook hands as a sign of farewell because he had accepted me. And I went struck home and went home. On the way across the highway, which was not so bushy, I was very happy because I had spent a lot of time together with my sibling. From playing, pick up a fruit, or just chatting normally. Even though I feel tired because of the many activity I do. This I'll pace of it what I want. For that, I only hope for the future. Hopefully, it will remain ready forever. I really cannot forget this incident forever. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks.